you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica here, and today I just want to share with you guys this very simple and quick Korean inspired makeup, and it is suitable for beginners as well as monolids. And special thanks to Yesstyle for collaborating with me in this video, and I just want to show you guys some of the new products that I received from the Yesstyle goodie box this month. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start off by using the Secret Key Starting Treatment Essential Mask, and it helps to smoothen your rough skin, improve skin elasticity, moisturizes and brightens your skin. Next, I'm going to use the plant-based natural solution hydrating bamboo water. It's like a toner that is enriched with the bamboo water and argan kernel oil to help hydrate, comfort and smoothen your skin. So as you can see from the screen, my skin looks really supple and soft right now after applying the mask and the toner. Finally, we are going to lock in the moisture with the AROMATICA Rose Serum. It contains Bulgarian damask rose oil and organic herb extracts to protect your skin with the strong antioxidants and leaves your skin feeling balanced, radiant and energized. Moving on to the base makeup, I'm using the Moonshot Micro Setting Fit Cushion. It has really great coverage, weightless adherence, and it is also long wearing and buildable, and also has a cooling effect upon application. The cushion puff also has a hexagon shape to help you get into the small areas of the face. After that, I'm just going to apply concealer and setting powder. After that, I'm going to draw my brows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. It has an ultra fine tip that adds detailed definition to your brows. So right now for the eyes, I'm going for a peachy plus a bit rosy kind of look. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Just Peachy Matte Palette, and I'm going into this shade called Peach Punch, and I'm applying this all over my lids. And on top of that, I'm going to use the Colourpop Super Sharp Eyeshadow in the shade Raise You. And again, I'm going to use my fingers to dip into the product and tap it on the center of my lids. That's it for our upper lids. And for the lower lids, I'm also going to use the same shade from this palette, Peach Punch, and apply it on to my lower lash line. For this, you need to have a smudging flatter brush like this so that you can get into the lower lash line really precisely. And I'm also going to get a bit of this shade right here and put it onto the inner corners. And right now I'm going to line my eyes with the Colourpop gel liner. For the lashes, I am using the Pony Effect Double Glam Mascara. I am going to add some colors to my face because I look damn pale right now. So for the blush, I am using the Dear Dahlia lipstick as a blush. Here I have this Dear Dahlia lipstick in this very rosy tone. This is in the shade 808 called Megan. And also I'm going to apply this same shade on my lips. And as for the contour, I am going to this Makeup Forever contour powder here. Now we're gonna add some dewiness to our skin, and I'm using the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in the shade Kitten. So this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple and quick makeup tutorial that is suitable for daily makeup. And don't forget to check out the description box down below for all the product details, and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!
너를 만나고 내가 많이 변한 것 같은 내 말이 뭐냐면 우리가 나눈 모든 기억들이 너무나 귀하고 너가 소중하다는 말이야. 우리가 누구보다 더 아름다운 사이가 되기를 원해. 앞으로가 중요하다는 너의 말에 고개를